go to jail for obstructing the police. It's your... Now you're under arrest, all right? You're under arrest over here.
Stop resisting. Stop.
I didn't do nothing wrong. I'm gonna punch y'all in your face because y'all doing too much. Let go of me! You ain't my stomach! I'm telling you multiple times! Damn!
Incident overview location, Florida, USA, inferred from charge structure and legal proceedings, date not disclosed in source footage. 2 separate traffic stops escalating to felony arrests for battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting with violence.
Hello, were you just in an accident back there? Accident? Yeah, over there on South Haim Street. Okay, do you have your driver's license and insurance card on me? Yes, so you were involved in an accident just back there. We have your license plate, your vehicle description, you're on camera, and you have damage on your vehicle, and then you just left the area. So we're just trying to get your information for the accident, and then we'll send you on your way, okay?
Girl, why is you trying to open my door?
Ma'am, you need to give us your driver's license and your insurance card.
You would have no right to be... My father, she trying to...
Ma'am, it's just an accident. Don't turn this into something else.
What accident?
You were involved in an accident. You got to come off of that.
Involved in the accident.
You got to come off of that, okay? You were involved in the accident. What's your first name? Don't turn this into something that you don't need it to be, okay?
Exactly.
Let me tell you something.
You're turning it into something.
Ma'am,
why did you
we need to take, I already explained that to you. We need your driver's license and your insurance card, or what's going to happen is you're going to end up going to jail.
Why did you pull me over?
I already explained. Do you want me to explain it to you for the third time? Okay. You were involved in an accident on South Haim Street. You left the scene of that accident. We have your license plate. You have damage to your vehicle. We need your driver's license and your insurance card for the accident report, and then we can send you on your way. If you refuse that, you can go to jail. So it's your choice.
Yeah, do what you gotta do.
I'm just asking for your driver's license and your insurance card. That's all you gotta do. Do you have that on you?
What accident are you talking about?
The one that you were just involved in. Now, you don't have to keep doing this.
Okay, we can. We're gonna continue.
Okay, how about this?
I wasn't in no accident.
I need your driver's license, your insurance card, or you're gonna go to jail.
You pulled me over for no reason.
I already explained to you the reason.
You pulled me over for no reason.
So, I need your driver's license and your insurance card, or you can go to jail for obstructing the police. It's your call. Are you refusing to open the window? Because I think you know what's gonna happen if you do that. And you don't need to turn that into something.
You pulled me over for what?
You want me to explain it to you for the 5th time?
Yep.
Okay.
Why you ain't get on me back then?
For the 5th time,
so wait.
you were involved in an accident, you fled the scene, and now you're refusing to give me your driver's license and your insurance card. So I need to see your driver's license and your insurance card, or you'll go to jail for obstructing the police. I'll tow your car and impound it. Well, you're going to unlock it for me, or I'm going to break the window.
You're going to break the window?
Yeah.
For what?
Because you're refusing to give me your driver's license and your insurance card. So are you refusing to open your window?
Refusing.
Okay, so at this point you're under arrest. I need you to get out of the car, or I'm going to break the window and take you out.
Why are you pulling me over?
I already explained it to you. We're past that.
Shut the fuck.
All right, if you don't get out of the car, I'm going to break the window.
Hey, ma'am. What you doing here on the scene? Otherwise, we're gonna be down at the station. It's up to you.
This shit is dumb as fuck.
Okay. All right.
What did I do?
Can you shut the car off at least, so we don't turn this into something that it doesn't have to be? Thank you. Can you turn the car off? Thank you. Can you give me your driver's license and your insurance card?
What you think he's funny to?
I'm just asking for your driver's license and your insurance card.
Are you dead ass serious? You finna act like that's what you've been asking me for this whole time?
Well, what have I been asking you for?
Shut the f*** up. Like, stop.
Okay, I need your driver's license and your insurance card.
Why am I pulled over right now?
For the accident.
6th time? You want to go 6? You were involved in an accident. You left the scene. I found your car. You have damage to the front of your car. All this is an accident report, ma'am. Don't turn this into anything else. It's an accident report. We need your stuff for the report, and then you're on your way.
It's your word against the other driver's word. That's all we're looking at, ma'am. You're making this far too difficult on yourself.
I understand.
Why don't you just give them your license, your insurance? They can relay that over the other scene.
Can y'all go to them?
We already have an officer there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's why we're here.
I have nothing else to talk about.
Okay.
I'm good.
I need your driver's license and your insurance card.
I don't have none of that.
You don't have your license? No, your insurance card.
I don't have it.
Okay, I need you to step out of the car.
Why?
Because I need you to step out of the car, because now you're under arrest for obstructing the police. Okay?
Man,
you want to into that?
Get an ID, whatever you got. Just provide it. It's Monday. We're not trying to make it any more difficult than it is.
I didn't do anything.
Okay,
I'm
Well, now you're
fine.
doing something. Give us your license and your insurance card so we can get this on the report and get you the hell out of here.
Why are you opening my door?
Right.
Don't touch.
I'm not going to touch,
No,
but I need you to
open my
give me your
door.
driver's license and your insurance.
I am, but
Okay.
don't touch my door. Why are you doing that?
I've explained it to you already.
It don't matter. I Will County Sheriff.
should
Do not
act like it.
so you need to act like
Talk to him on the phone.
Don't touch.
Give me your
Why are
driver's
you
license
opening-
and your insurance card.
Man, what's up? You want to take me to jail?
No, I don't
want to
take you to
Don't
jail.
touch me.
Don't step in my face.
At this point, just step to the side of the car now, okay?
This is in the way it's supposed to go.
Exactly.
Man. Now you're under arrest, all right? You're under arrest.
over here.
What do you think you're under arrest? Don't grab my
I ain't grab nothing.
You was dumb.
Ain't nobody resisting. You must be a rookie. You must be a rookie. You must be a rookie. The fuck out my face. You feel good? You feel good?
She's like tangled under the car.
You dumb.
What's the corner of the car?
Gotta stand up, okay?
Stand up. Stand up.
Ma'am, roll to your knees and then
Come on.
up on your feet.
Yep,
please.
come on.
I ain't do nothing to y'all.
That's right. I'll put him in the car. Stop. Don't start.
Back to your car. You ain't y'all.
All right, go ahead and get in.
Man, leave me alone. Y'all have no right to arrest me.
Ma'am, you gotta get in the car.
Man, ouch!
Hop in, let's go.
Man, get me the f out of here. Y'all have no right to arrest me.
Ma'am, you gotta get in the car. I'm gonna go around the other side.
You have no right to arrest me.
You do.
No, you don't.
Come on. Come on. You have to get in the car. Let's go. Come on.
Are you gonna sit up?
Sit up. Sit up.
She's trying to put a foot out. Here. Yeah, hey, let's sleep out there, man.
You get me the f out of here.
Hey, now you're kicking.
Get out of here,
Video.
bitch.
We all right?
Yeah, we're good.
She's having a bad Monday.
I pulled you over because you came out of Metro West and you crossed the median when you're not supposed to, and there's a sign there that clearly says do not enter. Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
Tell me what says do not enter.
Golf 47 Connecticut, a couple for rides.
Now you're doing too much, and I got somewhere to be.
Driver's license, please.
I don't got it.
You don't have it?
Nope.
All right, shut off the car. Shut off the car.
For what?
If you don't listen to my order, I'm going to detain you in handcuffs. Shut off the car now.
Okay, go ahead. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant, and I'm pregnant.
Okay,
So you touch
step
me.
on- step on now,
Please.
step on
no,
now.
no, no, no.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Hey,
Stop
no,
resisting.
I'm pregnant.
Stop
I'm
resisting.
pregnant.
Okay, stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm
Stop.
pregnant.
Stop
Y'all better
resisting.
leave me alone.
Stop resisting.
I got her.
Y'all better leave me alone. Because I didn't do
Get the
nothing.
seatbelt.
I don't got
It's not on. It's not
Y'all
on.
better leave me alone. Y'all better leave me alone.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop
Y'all
resisting.
taking me out for what?
Stop resisting.
For what?
Because
For
you're
what?
resisting a lawful order.
Resisting for what? I didn't do
Step out of the car.
nothing
Step out of the
wrong.
car.
Bro, I'm gonna punch y'all in your face because y'all doing too much. Oh, okay, I promise y'all. Because I didn't do nothing.
Stop.
Oh, no, because I didn't do nothing wrong. And I don't
Stop.
have
Stop.
my license.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
You're
Stop.
hurting my
Stop
fucking arm.
resisting.
You're hurting my arm. You're hurting
Stop
my
resisting.
arm.
Come here.
You're hurting my
Stop
arm.
resisting.
Fuck me.
Now you get charged with resisting with violence.
I'm hurting my fucking arm. I'm pregnant. Fuck.
Stop. Stop.
You got it.
Stop. Stop resisting. Stop. Stop. Stop resisting.
Let me
Stop.
Go.
I will tase your ass. So step the
go.
Stop resisting.
Y'all just bored as fuck.
I got somewhere to be.
Stop resisting.
Let go. You're hurting my arm. Stop in the
Listen. Stop resisting.
Sit in your f***ing face.
Do not.
Let me go. Let go of my leg. I can walk.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Let go of my leg. I can walk. Let go of my leg. I can walk.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Why y'all holding me like this?
Stop resisting.
Let go of my leg. I can f***ing walk.
Stop.
Stop kicking head.
Let go of my leg. Let go of my f***ing leg. I can walk.
Stop.
Hey, you guys are f***ing pushing on my stomach. Let go of my leg. I can f***ing walk.
Stop.
Let go of my leg.
Stop.
I can f***ing walk. You guys are not
Stop.
listening. If I spit on you,
You're not listening. If you spit on us, you'll get charged with battery on law enforcement officer. Stop. Stop. You cause all these problems for no reason. Stop. Stop.
Let go of me.
Stop. You cause all these problems for no reason.
You did. You
Stop.
did, bitch.
Calm
You
down.
did.
No.
You're hurting my stomach.
Stop.
I'm pregnant. Let go of me.
Stop resisting
I
that.
promise you I'm too
Stop. If you're
hard.
pregnant, then stop moving around.
You let me
Stop. Not spit on
You let
Not
me
cut in my
go.
face.
You let me
Not spit on my face.
I
No.
don't care.
Traffic stops. You had an attitude. Didn't want to comply to the order.
Just send me
I don't
another
care.
unit.
I don't have my license. I just came from home.
Well, you know what? You would have had a simple verbal warning had you not showed your attitude like that. Too bad. You're going to jail.
Exhaust herself.
I'm not going nowhere
Yeah, you
because
are.
I'm somewhere to
No,
be.
you're going to jail.
Damn.
Stop pushing.
Okay, let go of me. You're in my stomach.
Good.
I'm telling you multiple times. Damn.
Unlock it and put her in the car.
Y'all hurting my stomach and y'all not listening. Let me fucking shoot.
Get on the other side, pull her across.
Stop. Stop.
You
Stop.
guys, you see all
Stop.
the force you
Stop. If you know you're pregnant, then stop.
Okay, what is that? Touch me, stupid bitch.
Back up.
Let me
Protect
go.
it.
Let me
I don't want to spray you.
Let me go.
She belted in?
Give her a minute.
Yeah, you guys will follow when you take her. She's claiming she's pregnant.
Stop kicking the back of my car.
Here, I need to go.
Well, you're going to jail now. Simple traffic stop. We're going to tow that car.
Have you ever put this on before?
No, but I've read about them in policy.
So we have to hold her legs, get her legs in a cup so she can't move. We're gonna wrap this around her legs, tighten it, and then loop it over to the front.
Repeat that one more time.
Grab her legs,
Uh-huh.
hold them tight,
Uh-huh.
so I can get this around.
Her legs.
First step.
I don't want to, but I need to go. I don't want to be there.
Hold on. She's not squirming around. Just shut the.
If she's not swimming now,
Go ahead and shut this door.
I just literally made a U-turn.
You didn't make a U-turn. I saw you cut straight out of Metro Place. Yes, you did.
He stopped her for leaving Metro Place and making a left, cutting all the way across the road. It's posted signs, no left turn.
I saw you come out of Metro Place and you went straight ahead. Yes, you did. And you not had the attitude, we wouldn't be here.
Sean,
We wouldn't be here.
don't argue. If you're done, tell the officers what you need and get her out of here.
Are you gonna give me your first name, ma'am?
I just told you guys.
Oh no, I'm the arresting officer. I need it. What is your first name?
Can she tell you it's on my phone?
No,
I have all my
you can tell me. You have a mouth. You can tell.
already ruled
Then I would charge you as Jane Doe. Okay, I will book you in as Jane Doe.
Listen,
She's getting booked in as Jane Doe. She wants to fight and say she's gonna spit on officers. I'm not playing this game anymore. We're not doing this.
in my car.
All right, you're good to go.
Do you require medical assistance? I take that as a no.
Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968. Specific and articulable facts, including license plate match surveillance footage and visible vehicle damage, satisfy the reasonable suspicion threshold required for lawful investigative detention under the Fourth Amendment. Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S. 1061977. During any lawful traffic stop, an officer may order the driver to exit the vehicle without additional justification. Refusal to comply with that order constitutes independent grounds for a lawful custodial arrest. Atwater v. City of Lago, Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001. The Fourth Amendment does not prohibit a warrantless custodial arrest for a minor criminal offense. Operating with a suspended license and failure to produce a valid license are each independently arrestable. Graham v. Connor, 490, U.S. 3861989. Force must be evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Three controlling factors: severity of the offense, immediate threat to safety, and degree of active resistance. Florida Statute Section 843.01. Resisting officer with violence. Knowingly offering violence to an officer in the lawful execution of duty constitutes a felony of the third degree. Verbal protest alone does not satisfy the statutory threshold. A physical act of resistance is required. Florida Statute Section 784.07. Battery on law enforcement officer. Any intentional battery upon an officer in the performance of duties is a felony of the third degree. An explicit threat to spit, if carried out, constitutes criminal battery under this statute. Florida Statute Section 316.027 and Section 322.34. Willful departure from a crash scene with knowledge of the incident is a criminal offense. Driving with a suspended license is a separate criminal traffic offense. Both provide independent arrest authority. Window breach. Fourth Amendment threshold. Breaking a vehicle window to effect a confirmed custodial arrest is constitutionally permissible. Issuing the threat prior to a formal arrest declaration, however, weakens the legal justification under the Fourth Amendment. Florida procedure. Adjudication withheld. The court accepted the plea without formally entering a conviction. The defendant is not adjudicated guilty under Florida law. Probationary conditions are imposed without a permanent criminal record of conviction. Lesson: escalation and sequential liability. Each refusal at every available decision point created a new and independent criminal charge. What began as a minor traffic matter became a felony arrest solely through the subject's own sequential choices, not the initial violation. Lesson: officer conduct standard enforcement decisions must be grounded in law and observed conduct, not the subject's demeanor or attitude. Attributing arrest decisions to attitude exposes officers to civil liability and undermines the legal integrity of the enforcement action under Section 1983 of Title 42.